the you stop. You make it stop. Rock and roll. Cindy stop. Baby, ever but don't. You make it stop. You make it stop. When it hits, it drives the crew. Can't walk. Big jam session about to begin. Handed me a top, picked up the beat. Last raise and button, sing shivers to my feet. Then I roll, and I stick with the smile. I did the Yankee stomp band, you Yankee style. You Yankee stuff, rock and roll. Sydney stuff, ever been told. You Yankee stuff, you Yankee style. When it hits, it drives a cool cat wild. We gotta go. I'm back at the right. They're going ahead. I'm gonna you make it stop till I roll over dead. You make it stop, rock and roll. Cindy stop, baby, ever been told. You make it stop, you make it stop. When it hits, it drives a cool cat wild.
Nice. Good job.
I just gotta test our alcoholic skills.
Fuck, dude, I'm getting
You know what it is? It's hookers.
You're not supposed to drink on the inside.
Hookers, they all need loving. Not only for healing, but also to pay the bills.
That's true.
This true is a true story.
It's true. It's a true story.
Yeah, whatever works for you.
A little bit faster.
In my whole city, I was a rolling guy, just a looking for a day. Well, I walked on left Maple Street, saw a girl who looked awful neat. Present day version of Marilyn Monroe. Well, I kicked the door open, saying, baby, let's go. 3 gear, and we started to roll. Well, I wasn't worried, cause the tank was on full. She was awful sweet, treated me nice. I was gonna have to pay the price. Eyes on me for the nearest motel. I was about to send my soul straight to hell. Driving at night, looking for a hooker, hoping I'll find one's a real good looker. Cruising down the street looking for one of you, cause those little hookers need loving too. Let's go! I can feel the heat. Well, I say home, but she's a shrew. Sometimes I need a woman that's a little bit new. Driving at night, looking for a hooker, hoping I'll find one's a real good looker. Cruising down the street, looking for one or two, cause those little hookers need loving too. getting the man. Took off her shirt and unhooked her bra. Well, I was amazed at what I saw. Looked her in the chest, I was about to burst. She said, hold on, honey, you gotta pay me first. Finished up playing out, she went. It was the last $100 I ever spent. Driving at night, looking for a hooker, hoping I find one's real good looking. Cruising down the street looking for one of you, 'cause others little hookers, they love me too. Driving at night, looking for a hooker, hoping I find one's real good looking. Cruising down the street looking for one or two, 'cause others little hookers, they love me too.
Family song right there. Hey, Mr. Bass. Mr. Bass.
Mr. Bassman.
Mr. Bass. Hey, how's it going? Beat you up. What's happening? That bass is gonna beat you
shit,
up.
this bass been beating me up for years.
Beat you up.
That's why I call my wife.
Good job. Shit.
And I gotta apologize, I had a whole bunch of really great jokes planned, but I drank them all away, so maybe next time if you're...
What's the difference between your mama and a washing machine?
What?
Your mama and a washing machine. Oh, when I drop a load in a washing machine, it don't follow me around for a week.
That was bad. All right, on that note, Cocaine Blues.
Hey,
Oh, is he?
That's you. Early one morning while making the rounds, I took a shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. I went right home and I went to bed. I saw that 1144 beneath my head. Got up next morning and I grabbed that gun. Took a shot of cocaine and away I'd run. Made a good run, but I run too slow. They overtook me down in Juarez, Mexico. In the hot joint, taking the pills. In walked the sheriff from Jericho Hill. His name is not Jack Brown. You're the dirty hack that shot your woman down. Oh yes, my name is Willie Lee. If you've got a warrant, just read it to me. Shut her down because she made me sore. I thought I was her daddy, but she had 5 more. When I was arrested, I was dressed in black. They took me down the track. Had no friends for to go my way. They slapped my dried up carcass in the county jail.